In love with it. Honestly, guys, this is absolutely beautiful, guys. You can say whatever you want. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of me I have a very special car. Right in front of me I have the Porsche 992 Turbo S. But as you can already see, this is not a normal one. This is fully modified and redone by Brabus. Yes, you heard that right. Brabus modified this Porsche. So after doing all Mercedes models, it's now time for them to do Porsche as well. They are starting off with the Turbo S and also with the Taycan, but I will be showing you this Turbo S Cabriolet in today's video by doing a full walk around, highlighting all the Brabus parts and components. Afterwards also check out the interior, and I think I will be driving it as well, but not with the top down. It's raining, guys, but still we will be making the best out of it. So first of all, we have two modification stages. This is modified stage 1, 720 horsepower, but there's also a coupe version of the 992 Turbo S, which we also did a video of, which has got 820 horsepower, all modified and tuned by Brabus. I really love the color option on this. I'm a huge fan of chalk, of Nardo, of Alpine Grey, classic Uni Grey. I really enjoy this color, and on this Porsche Turbo S, especially on this Brabus one, it looks absolutely magnificent. So let's get it on and start with the walk around, starting with the front. First of all, I have to mention it, Brabus has put on their own badge here on the bonnet. Normally we have the Porsche badge here, but instead of that we have a new Brabus emblem. How do you guys like it? In my eyes, I kind of don't like it, and I wish they put on a double B or something else, but I would rather put the Porsche badge instead of the Brabus. How do you guys like it? I really want to hear your thoughts on this. On the lights, we have the X-side matrix lights, if I'm not mistaken. These are the best options you can go for. The front bumper is fully finished in carbon fiber, all done by Brabus, as you see with the intakes, with the LED light, all additional. And the front splitter is also done by Brabus, full carbon fiber part, which looks absolutely beautiful with this exterior paint. On the side, as you see, we also have a few additional parts from Brabus, especially the wheels. And these are, my second favorite. I really like them, and I think they fit absolutely great on this Porsche Turbo S. Also, in addition, with the center lock here made by Brabus. So they have the carbon ceramic brakes finished in also the same exterior paint. And then we have the monoblock Z wheels. We have 21 inches here. Look very good on this car. Powered by Brabus badge here on the A-pillar. On the side, we don't have a lot of changes except for this part down here. This additional carbon fiber fin with the Brabus emblem, giving this a final touch. The rear, we have 22 inches, where we have 21 in the front, to give this a very sporty touch. Brabus monoblock Z, just perfectly on this. In addition to the wheels, we have the Sport Contact 7 Continental tires. Let me also give you the size. These are 335, 25 ZR, 22 XL. These are very good and go extremely well on this car. But now, guys, let me show you my favorite part of this Porsche Turbo 992 by Brabus, and it's obviously the rear. The base 992 is amazing. The Turbo S is just beautiful, but the Brabus version, they smashed it. Looking at the exhaust, diffuser, the rear spoiler, it's just completing the look and makes it look perfect in my eyes. I think it's not too much, and I also think it's still decent. It fits the Brabus and Porsche characteristics. So how do you guys like it? First of all, we have the wing here in the back. It's full finished in carbon fiber. It's a bit wet right now. Also on the side here with the Brabus. And you can put that up. It's now lowered. In addition to that, we have this Brabus emblem here, full finished in carbon fiber with the additional lettering, which I'm a huge fan of. And then talking about the diffuser, this is full finished in carbon fiber, all manufactured and done by Brabus. And in addition to the titanium exhaust tips and the black gloss here, it's just completing the entire look, and I'm just in love with it. Honestly, guys, this is perfect. This is absolutely beautiful, guys. You can say whatever you want. So now it's time to talk about the interior, and just to do that, let me just point out the key as well. Here we have it, the Porsche specific Turbo S key. As soon as you lock it, they move in and the door handles pop out as soon as you unlock the car, and then you can just pull and open up the door. And here we have the Porsche Brabus Turbo S interior. Guys, it's shoot! It started to rain extremely heavily right now. Yeah, and with the soft top, you can clearly hear it. Oh, damn it. Guys, I'm extremely sorry it started to rain and I just have to clean the car and dry it up in the interior before I continue. It's really not our lucky day, unfortunately. I just wanted to drive it with the top down, but instead we are now stuck in the rain, which is not cool at all. But I'm sorry at this point. Let me just clean this off. There we go. But yeah, let's talk about the interior. Brabus has completely modified this interior as well, so you can instantly see that. For example, here on the side we have the Brabus leather with the nice black and red details. All the chrome parts on this interior have been completely redone in this red chrome, and also we have the crest stitching here on this car as well, giving this the final touch. Even the floor mats are finished in leather with a nice stitching, all by Brabus here on top. Everything finished in leather. All the parts have been put out, and instead of that we have this red chrome finish everywhere. In addition with the carbon fiber, this looks absolutely phenomenal. The steering wheel is also redone by Brabus, full leather steering wheel here. Also the airbag cover has been finished by Brabus, and something I don't like is this Brabus emblem on the airbag cover. I'm still not sure about this emblem. That's a problem. Let me just dry this up. 12 o'clock here, finished in red, and all in all looking extremely nice. Also with the Brabus masterpiece badge here on the seats, double B on the headrest. Yeah, the interior is a matter of taste, but here Brabus just wants to demonstrate what they also can do for a Brabus interior, and I think they've smashed it. Everything. Also look at this, the inside here is finished in red leather. Very, very cool detail. So all in all, the interior is just very, very cool. I am a huge fan of it. Also here on top with the clock, and then you have the leatherworks even over there. So attention to detail is just the main key for Brabus. Even the rear seats with the seat belts and the stitching has been also redone by Brabus. Let me just now go ahead and start up the car to give you a little sound check. But as it's raining right now, I hope you will still enjoy the sound. Brabus exhaust also mounted on this. Let me just switch to Sport Plus. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's rev it up. Yeah, it's the special Porsche flat 6 engine sound, which I really like, but Brabus hasn't destroyed it. I mean, you still have the sound of a real Porsche here, whereas Brabus has added a bit of their flavor, so it's still good and I like it. How do you guys like it? Leave it in the comment section below. So now guys, as we are here at the Conti-Drome on the Brabus special Continental Tuning Days, I just want to give you also a drive inside this Brabus Turbo S. Let me just put the seatbelts on. And now we will be driving it, but I will not be speeding with the car as it's extremely wet, as you just see it, guys. I just want to give you a feel of the sound, the inside. So let's get it on. The shift knob is over here, and if you just want to stop, you just put it into parking, foot is on the brake, and then drive, and you're ready to go. And now it also tells me to put on the wet mode, so let's just do that. I'm stopping right now. Sport, wet. The car is now set into wet mode. Now we can go. So while driving, the car is not as sporty as in Sport Plus, making the car controllable in wet conditions, and that's the main thing. As soon as I'm like pushing the car right now, it is not moving extremely sporty towards. Look, I will be just pushing the acceleration, just look. And the car is still controllable, even though it's a sporty drive, you know? So we're literally driving inside a circle here, but yeah. How do you guys like to drive inside the Turbo S by Brabus? In my eyes, this is still a Porsche and it's also still a Brabus. And I can't wait to see the future projects with Brabus and Porsche. I hope they will be also doing the GT3 or GT3 RS or maybe the Panamera. Yeah, let's see what the future will have for us. Let me now jump outside and finish it off with a resume, guys. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's episode with the Brabus Turbo S, the 820. Special thanks at this point to Brabus and to Continental for letting me drive this on their specific test course here on the Conti-Drome. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, the weather was not that good, but still, I hope you loved and liked this Brabus Porsche Turbo S. How do you guys like this? Do you think Brabus should stick back with Mercedes-Benz only? Or should they also do more Porsche models like this? If you want to see more of this car, leave it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.